Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper here. Time for another BizStackPro chat bomb video, and let's have a look at what we're going to actually do today. And oh, I think let me uh, share my screen. And we go to here. And what we're going to talk about today is forms, which is straight under AI Assistant. This is where you can actually uh, make your email forms or your uh, callback form, your email form, forms that you want to collect your data and use inside of Chatbomb, which I'll show you how to do later, of course. But it comes with already comes with three forms already inside, and you can say this is a callback form. Leave your phone number, and we will call you back. It's exactly what it means. Uh, Writing an email to us, you add your message. It's like a contact form. Obviously, you can set whether you want GDPR rules. You can add that. You can have an offline form. We're offline right now. Please fill out the form, and uh, it's when you're if you're offline, uh, and it comes up, and you want them to get in touch with you, they could send you their email, send you a message, and you will get back to them. Okay, so. But you can also add your own email form by clicking on your thing on your plus at the bottom. Now you can say, right, form name. You can give it a header or no header. You can have a text with an icon, uh, or no header at all. I think no header is okay. Success content. So now you can say, okay, I want my assistant to AI assistant to write it. But anyway, it's up to you. Fail content. Again, it's your message that you what happens if it fails. Success is your success message. Okay. Now let's go and have a look at for the button icon. Do not change button icons. So this is the button at the bottom here, the blue button. Yeah. You can change built-in SVG. So you've got your own SVG things like this. Let's have a look at that, and you can choose one. You can choose, say you're looking for an envelope. Okay, we look for that one. Yeah. Button on send us an email. And then the actions. What do you want us to do? Let's go to the button icon first, and then that's okay. Or you can upload your own image. Yeah, that's up to you. So we've got that. You can go to the actions, send an email on success, send a web push message on success. It's self-explanatory, really. Create a ticket, a webhook, and redirect. Let's have a look at what we've got here. This is what you can put in. Send the email. Thank you. Blah blah blah. Okay. Web push. Again, you can set up the message. Yeah. Okay. Create a ticket. not assigned, it's assigned it to whoever. Description, custom value, whatever. A private or public. It's up. All the information you can say, it's up to you. What you want to put in there. Webhook success again, possibly show you later on what happens when the webhook is done. Advanced options. Now you can have it 300 desktop width. Yeah, so it's a small one. You could have it 600. Closes the form automatically after maybe 1000 milliseconds, which is around 10 seconds. And then it's really simple to build your own form. Let's cancel that. And if you want to say edit one of these, yeah, you can actually say, okay, I want to edit the form settings. Yeah, you can add a field, you can add a button, copy the form, copy the embed link, or remove the form. So we've gone through the form settings. Let's go through, have a look at the form settings here. So it's 300. What's the name of the general? Email to us, email sent. We will contact you soon. So this is how you change the thing. Button icon. I did say built-in SLA. This is our callback form. Yeah. Cancel it. And let's have a look at the adding a field. If you want to add a field, and we go, let's see, field ID. You want to say put your phone number in here. Phone. Yeah, it's a required field. It's a phone field. Yeah. Label phone. You want a placeholder. Add your number here. Okay. You can put a value in there already. Enable mask. You can do whatever. Mask means any number. Validation, include in a report. You could include it in a report column label, whatever you want. I'm not going to add anything there except for let's see, save it. And we're going to have your a phone number in here. So yeah, so I've just added an extra phone number. You could have had an email. So I'm just going to delete this one again, remove the field, because yeah, remove. Okay, so that's how you build your forms. It is pretty simple, really. You can add a button, you can copy the actual form, or you can even copy an embed link. This is where you can embed it into a website. You could embed it into a post or whatever you want to put it in there. Okay, it's totally up to you what you want to do with it. But this is how you get your forms, build your forms, or adapt them as you need to. So forms, pretty straightforward, and I think it's in unlimited forms. So you can build as many forms as you want. So if you've got 3-4 products you wanted to use a form for, that's ideal. And just build one and then duplicate it, and you've got the form for each of your products. Okay. Easy. It is pretty easy to use Chatbomb. It is pretty easy to build something good with Chatbomb. It is a powerful little tool that you get inside of BizStackPro. It's a software, standalone software, not just for use with BizStackPro itself, but you can use it with a website to sell to customers, and it is phenomenal what you get with the actual Chatbomb software and what you get with BizStackPro. So if you want to get a copy of BizStackPro and get a copy of Chatbomb to use with your business, then go to my link below and save yourself around 200 a month every month, and that's year round, and it's a saving of around 2,400 a year. Yeah, you heard me right. Around 2,400 per year for the life of your account. I mean, and you get other premium software bonuses inside as well. Plus, you get my help and whatever you need with me building your business. Okay, so Chatbomb, email forms. Let's go to the next video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know when more videos are coming out. And if you like the videos, please comment as well, because that helps me, and it also helps me find information that you want to know. So if you want me to do a video on BizStackPro automations, or you want to do a video on how to build a website, how to build a funnel, let me know. There may be already some on my channel if you look in the BizStackPro playlist. So have a look. And if there aren't, and you want to know something, let me know in the comments, and I will endeavor to do a video on that. See you next time in the video. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, make a comment, and I will say thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.